The key to clear sight tips for healthy vision. Maintaining healthy vision is vital for overall well-being and quality of life. Good eyesight enables us to perform daily tasks efficiently, enjoy our surroundings, and stay safe. To ensure your eyes remain in top condition, it's essential to understand various factors influencing eye health and adopt a proactive approach to vision care. Nutrition for healthy eyes. What you eat significantly impacts your vision. Nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids, lutein, zinc, and vitamins C and E can help prevent age-related vision problems like macular degeneration and cataracts. Incorporate the following foods into your diet for optimal eye health. Leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale, and collard greens are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that reduce the risk of chronic eye diseases. Fatty fish such as salmon, tuna, and mackerel are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which help protect against dry eyes and macular degeneration. Citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and lemons provide vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that supports the health of blood vessels in the eyes. Nuts and seeds, including almonds, sunflower seeds, and walnuts, offer vitamin E, which protects the eyes from oxidative damage. And of course, carrots are known for their high beta-carotene content, helping maintain good night vision and overall eye health. Digital eye strain. With the increasing use of digital devices, digital eye strain has become a common issue. Symptoms include dry eyes, headaches, blurred vision, and neck or shoulder pain. To reduce digital eye strain, follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds. Ensure your screen is about an arm's length away and positioned slightly below eye level. Use anti-glare screens and proper lighting to minimize reflections and glare. Blink frequently to moisten your eyes and use artificial tears if necessary. Protect your eyes from UV rays. Ultraviolet UV rays from the sun can damage your eyes and increase the risk of cataracts, macular degeneration, and photokeratitis, which is sunburn of the cornea. Protect your eyes by wearing sunglasses that block 100% of UVA and UVB rays. Choose wraparound frames to protect the eyes from side exposure. Wearing a wide-brimmed hat can offer additional protection. And remember, 80% of UV exposure to the eyes can occur on cloudy days. Eye safety and protective eyewear. Protecting your eyes from injury is crucial, especially in environments with potential hazards. Wear appropriate protective eyewear when engaging in activities such as sports. Use sports goggles to protect against injuries from balls, rackets, or other equipment. Home improvement projects. Safety glasses shield your eyes from debris, dust, and chemicals. Workplace safety. If you work in a hazardous environment, follow safety protocols and wear the recommended eye protection. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. Overall health significantly impacts eye health. Here are some lifestyle tips to support your vision. Exercise regularly. Physical activity improves blood circulation, which benefits the small blood vessels in the eyes. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water prevents dehydration, which can cause dry eyes. Get enough sleep. Adequate rest helps reduce eye strain and allows your eyes to recover from daily use. Avoid smoking. Smoking increases the risk of cataracts, macular degeneration, and damage to the optic nerve. Regular eye exams. Routine eye exams are crucial for detecting vision problems early and monitoring eye health. The frequency of exams depends on age, risk factors, and whether you already wear corrective lenses. Generally, it's recommended to have a comprehensive eye exam every 2 years for adults aged 18 to 60 with no vision problems. Annually for individuals over 60 or those with risk factors like diabetes, hypertension, or a family history of eye disease. Children should also have regular eye exams to ensure their vision is developing correctly. Early detection of issues such as lazy eye, crossed eyes, or refractive errors can prevent long-term vision problems. Managing chronic conditions. Certain chronic conditions such as diabetes and hypertension can affect vision. Proper medical care, medication, and lifestyle changes are essential for maintaining healthy vision. Regular eye exams are particularly important for individuals with these conditions to monitor for complications like diabetic retinopathy or hypertensive retinopathy. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more to come.